Hey everybody, and welcome to Stella Dot launch of their range for January, February, and boy have they got some fabulous goodies that I'm really excited to share with you today. So let's get started and check it out. Okay, so I'm not sure if you can see my screen here. This is a beautiful new set in the collector's box that they've got for easy day wear, and I love how it's paired with this beautiful soft blue textured jumper. And we've got here the three necklaces that have got beautiful sparkles, just a hint of sparkles, pearls, and some beautiful crystals as well. So we've got real earthy scents around what's happening for spring and adding a soft pastel colors with it. But check this out. We've got the beautiful vintage style earrings here and the beaded necklace bracelets. But I love how they paired it with the rings as well. So you can see you've got the trio of rings that, again, in that vintage kind of style, but the beautiful stones that are accented, again, those beautiful earthy colors that you've got, like citrine, in the yellow here. You've got the agate, and you've got a hint of sparkle again. So beautiful with, you've got your soft pink, your soft pale blues, and I love how it's with a really neutral nail polish as well. So what do you think? Isn't it amazing? I know you're going to have absolute fun coordinating your outfits with this beautiful range here. Okay, what else have we got? So here they are in the collector's box in isolation, so you can see the different styles of pendants and the different colors. You've got a blue-green shade here in the necklace, as well as a soft pink in that pendant, same style pendant as well, either in gold or silver. If you want something a bit, in the shape of that's round, you've got a hammered effect medallion in silver with, a beautiful frame around it as well. So again, it gives it that nice vintage, eye-catching style. So mixed metals are still back, still in, going strong. We've got silver and gold tones in this layered necklace here of mixed metals. And my fave down below, I love these natural colors in these convertible necklaces with the different colored beads. So you've got the one that's got here with just a few isolated beads, and then more with 2 layers of beading. Both absolutely stunning, and I reckon they'll look fantastic going into your spring wardrobe. Okay, so here are the necklaces that we just looked at before. Again, here's the soft pink, beautifully framed in a lovely fluffy jumper that would just look really great for daytime. Or if you added a bit of sparkle maybe with your earrings, or depending on maybe some black trousers, something like that, glam it up for a casual night out would be really cool as well. So I love how they've displayed here the jewellery box. You've got some amazing sparkly options, which will, as I said, take this look on the left here into a more nighttime feel. Okay, so again, more suggestions for you on how to wear these looks. I love, see how they've got the layered mixed metal necklaces here, beautifully textured with some soft fabrics of woven and, a thick kind of jacket, but I bet it's really soft as well. Love how that looks with the denim. Yeah, so it's a more classy way to dress up denim for your daytime, and it would also really take you really well into a nighttime look. So I love how she's, the ring is also featured, which goes nicely with this necklace area, here in the gold. Gorgeous. So I've got to tell you, this is my favorite parts of what's launched already for January. I love these teardrop earrings in this gorgeous sort of, I don't know, it's like almost an apricot kind of color. The drop, I just love these. Again, I'm really into these earthy tones at the moment with these, again, the matching bracelets you could match it with. Here, the stretch trio bracelet, either in the pink tones or in the blue-green tones. There is still a hint of that pinky apricot color that would easily match with these teardrop earrings. Or if you wanted to really glam it up, they're amazing teardrop earrings that have got a more beautiful, soft, neutral tones that would pair up with most things in your wardrobe, okay? Again, these can make into studs, or you can just wear them as a teardrops. Stunning, absolutely stunning. And paired with this gorgeous patent rose ring here, wow, dynamite, okay? Loving these looks. And if you're into a bit more of a tribal kind of feel for your spring wardrobe, paired again with earthy tones, everything's really soft and pastel, which I absolutely love these colors for spring, then these options here are really amazing. You've got freshwater pearls, you've got yellow jade, milky quartz, agates, and just gorgeous colors and blues, greens, soft oranges. And I love how these freshwater pearls are like a more flat style for the necklace. Beautiful. Wears really well for evening attire or for your daytime look as well. So really versatile pieces that you can use in a lot of ways, okay? So here they are in isolation. We've got the beaded stretch bracelet, real favorite. Love those colors in there. Looked great with that cardigan, didn't it? That beautiful soft brown. Matching necklace with the same sort of beads. These amazing chandelier earrings. And you've got the freshwater pearls. Again, these have, what am I trying to say here? You can wear them as drop earrings or you can wear them as huggies. Just use them, you use the metal rings, okay, the hoops, that's what I'm trying to say, hoops, for a daytime look. But I reckon you can wear pearls any day of the week or any night. Love my pearls. Okay, so that is it. Again, close up of them. Look at that, ladies. My word, aren't they just gorgeous? This is in the golds, but wow, they look so rich and vibrant, and against the beautiful soft pastels of the pinks and apricots and those stones, which will be great colors to wear, to incorporate into your wardrobe with these pieces. Just look absolutely beautiful, don't you think? I think so. Amazing. So I want you to enjoy having fun with all of these, and if there's any questions I can help you with, thank you for watching.